Hello and welcome to the third week of our workshop series on technology enhanced language learning and integration. And we hope that you're enjoying the series so far. And now I just give a very short introduction to what we cover in Tele Workshop 3. Well, Workshop 3 will focus on creating your own resources for technology enhanced language learning. And we'll explore how you can use digital resources to develop English language learning activities for your own Fáilte Isteach classes. Because the purpose of this workshop is that you can apply the knowledge to your own learner group and that you'll have something to take away from the workshop series. And we'll also share ideas for resources which promote language learning, integration and inclusion. So there'll be plenty of opportunity to learn from each other as well in this regard. So looking at the objectives for workshop 3, well, by the end of this workshop, you will be able to plan the development of an English language learning resource for your Fáilte Isteach class and use appropriate digital tools in the development of this resource. So we're going to start this process in workshop 3 and we'll provide support and scaffolding for you to develop the resource over the coming weeks. And for this week, well, we start out with some tips on how to plan and develop a resource for learning that uses digital tools. And we'll also provide examples of resources and tools which could help you to create your own English language learning activity for your own Fáilte Isteach class. And as usual, there will be reflective activities, and we recommend that you do write a little journal piece each week because we provide feedback on that. So thank you very much and looking forward to seeing you in workshop 3.